So this building, well, first of all, it's got a load of paint on these sprayed frames, but I took most of the paint off with my scraper, and now I'm cleaning all the top windows with my 12-inch flick and channel accelerator. And you know, most people think this is crazy, but you get so much better finish on the glass. And as it's a new job, you know, I want to make the impression as best I can. For using the water-fed pole up here, or the ladder. I've done a bit of ladder work on the other side of the building, but most of it's done on with the pole and the squeegee, because I'm going to get a better finish. And obviously, when you can pole efficiently and effectively, you ain't losing any time really. So this is what I'm doing, going all through this building, doing the top windows with my 12-inch, and obviously every time I'm doing a new window, I'm swapping my pole stance, so I don't get tired. And this is what I've been doing all morning. Cheers.